Hello dear student of class 7. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manisar, and today we are going to revise atmospheric temperature and pressure. Dear student, here the pollutant in the air. There are 6 common pollutants in the air. Besides the natural combination of gases, water vapors, and dust particles, the atmosphere continuously receives the man-made substances of both solid and gaseous nature, largely due to the multiple human activity. So, for example, playing automobiles in cities release the gaseous pollutant like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and lead particles, causing air pollution, which in turn is cause of several diseases. The smoke particles, when combined with the fog from smoke, causing serious health problems like irritation in eyes and skin diseases. So, occasionally, volcanic eruption in some countries also add the solid gaseous substances in large quantity to the atmosphere. Forest fires add pollutant and cause further damage to the atmosphere. So, these are the pollutant in the air. So, see in this picture the pollutant in the air: natural, stationary, and mobiles. Okay, now the atmospheric temperature and pressure. Air pressure or a weight of air is measured by the means of an instrument called barometer. So this is the picture of the barometer. The unit air pressure is known as millibar. The normal air pressure at sea level is 1013 millibar. Dear student, as we go higher on the mountains or travel in the air, we notice our ears pop. This is due to the drop in air temperature and atmospheric pressure. This variation in atmospheric temperature and atmospheric pressure divides atmosphere in different ways. Okay? Now here a wind. In an area where temperature rises high, the air gets heated and rises upward. This causes fall in air pressure and the area. This becomes a low pressure area. The space vacated by hot air is replaced by cold, denser air of surrounding. High pressure area. This flow or movement of air is called wind. Means movement of air is called wind. So wind always flows from the high pressure area to low pressure area. The phenomenon of monsoon is a good example of such seasonal winds. This change is caused due to unequal heating of land and water. Our country receives the monsoon rains which support our agricultural economy. So dear student, this is the wind vane. See in this picture, it has a direction. Okay. Now, this is the picture of mechanism of rainfall. As the hot air rises, it reaches high in the atmosphere, where it cools down due to a presence of low temperature there. Thus, the water present in a form of water vapors condenses into a tiny droplets of water or crystals of ice. In due course of time, these tiny particles join together and form clouds. Due to a further cooling, these tiny condensed droplets join and form larger droplets. In the course of time, these droplets become so heavy that the air cannot hold them. Hence, they fall down as a rainfall or snowfall, depending upon the atmospheric temperature of the region. So, this is all about the mechanism of the rainfall. The rainfall is very important to all of us as it brings water to the earth, which is essential for the survival of all kinds of life on it. When the rainfall is scarce, very low, it causes drought. So, the rainfall can be measured with the help of instrument called the rain gauge. The unit of measuring rainfall is centimeter or millimeter. So, we know in the world, in our country, we have the highest rainfall in Mosinaram. It is the wettest place in the world. So, monitoring the weather condition. What is the monitoring of the weather condition? It is important to note that the weather refers to the state of atmosphere that include its temperature, pressure and humidity for a specific place for a short period of time. So, there are so many differences between the weather and climate. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere that includes its temperature, pressure and humidity for a specific place and for a short time of period. Weather may change the different places of the same city or locality. And if we are going to think about the climate refers to the state of atmospheric condition that includes temperature, rainfall, pressure over a long period of time and covers large area. So, climate of India is a monsoonal. It is important for us to know the daily temperature and pressure conditions of the place where we live. Further, when we travel to any distant places. So, this is the monitoring weather conditions in our country. So, dear student, here the assignment question on today's topic. I hope you understand today's topic well. So, write this question in your copy with its proper answer. So, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So, thank you for watching this online video and thank you for making me a part of your day. Thank you once again and have a nice day ahead.